How to check Snapchat poll results. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and as you do that, launch the Snapchat application, and simply you can now just click a random picture. As you click a random picture, what you can do is tap on the sticker icon at the right side of the screen over here. Simply select on the sticker icon, and as you tap on it, you'll be able to see the option of poll. Simply tap on the poll option, and here you can just ask a question. Like, I'm going to randomly ask, how's your day going? And let's just question it, and then tap on the check mark, and then tap on the stories option. Now you can just tap it to your public story or just your story over here. Now let's tap on the send option. And as you do that, what you can simply do is go back to your chat section or your profile. Simply tap on your profile over here and then tap on your story option. So you'll be able to see the number of views over here, and if anybody has responded, you can just swipe up and you'll be able to see all the results, whether it's like or dislike or anything as such. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.